auction, man. That's that 2017 Charger Police Interceptor. You know what's going on. Mopar gang. Ooh, couldn't wait to get it out the truck. And this is what it looked like. First view, man. Bought it sight unseen from the auction online. It ain't looking good. Had little damage, suspension work, and it needed their front bumper, but I feel I could do that. There ain't no pressure. Interior, saying looking nice. Boom, boom, boom. Clean. A1. It's a little dirty. They put the dang on parts from the undercarriage. Inside, I don't even care about that. I'm gonna clean it up anyway. Boom. So let me start ordering parts. You already know how I do, man. I got everything that I thought I needed. So let's go. Next day, we start taking everything off. Boom. Take the bumper off. That bolt right there. Those clips right there. Boom. Whole bumper drop down. Bow. Easy. Now, radiator already out. Boom. Drop the radiator. You got fan, condenser, radiator all together. So I start opening boxes. That's the radiator support right here. This is the radiator right here. Condenser right here. Boom. Everything brand new right out the box. You see what's going on. This is the dual radiator fan. Definitely. Alright, so let's get it popping in. You know, the fan, go onto the condenser, go bolt onto the radiator. Put that on. That was easy. All it is screw it on, couple of screws. Easy work. Saving all this money doing the work by myself. You already know. Alright, so after doing that, drop the radiator in. This is where I had to assess the real actual damage for the suspension. This is where it got a little technical. Control arm. Outer control arm. And the subframe was broken right here. So, you know, I got the subframe. That was the worst part. But I'm going to have to say that for another video because that was long and tedious. Alright, boom. So now we back at it. You know what I'm saying? Take the bumper off. Easy. Got that new SRT bumper. Yeah, you already know what's going on. Boom. Throw that thing on there. Huh? You know what I'm saying? Shit, got that ScatPack look. Woo! Alright. So I put it on there. Then, damn, I figured out. Damn, I forgot to put the headlights on. Bruh. Gotta take it back off. Boom. Drop the headlights on. Sometimes you make a mistake. Real players fuck up. It's all good though.
Nah, this was a nigga that did this.
So this is what the finished product looked like after I put the headlights and the bumper back on. You know what I'm saying? Big change from the regular RT bumper. Looks way better, way better. So you know after I do that, I gotta see what this thing do, man. What they talking about? Okay then. So stay tuned. Part 2 got a lot of more upgrades to do. You already know, man. Gang out.